Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make millet sweet pongal without milk and ghee. Let us see what are the ingredients required. I'm taking 1 cup of foxtail millet. Foxtail millet is rich in smart carbohydrates, meaning it doesn't increase the blood sugar levels immediately but releases slowly into the bloodstream. It is rich in dietary fiber and minerals like iron and copper. Wash 3 times and soak it for 30 minutes. I'm taking quarter cup of split green gram. I'm going to slightly roast it. Roast it until light golden brown like this. And then you should wash it and soak it until we do the next step. Next, I'm taking 1.5 cup of jaggery. If you like less sweet, just take 1 cup of it. The next ingredient is cardamom. Take 3 pots of cardamom, crush it and powder it like this. 7 to 10 almonds, 10 to 15 raisins or dried grapes, 10 to 15 cashew nuts, 2 cups of coconut milk, 3 cups of water. Now let's start to make the pongal. In a pan, add 3 cups of water, 2 cups of the coconut milk, and then add the soaked millet. Now we add the soaked split green gram and then a pinch of salt. Stir it and close it for the millet mixture to boil and cook for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, waiting for the millet to cook, let's make the jaggery syrup. In a pan, add the jaggery, and then add half cup of water. Boil the syrup in medium to low heat. Cook it until slightly more than 1 string consistency. You can check the consistency by taking a little bit of the syrup and pour it into a bowl of water. If you can see the syrup can settle under the water and you are able to scrape it and make it into a ball-like, then the consistency is right. Off the flame and remove the syrup from the stove. In a separate wok, let's fry the dried nuts and the raisins. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and add in all the dried items and the raisin. After 30 minutes of cooking, the millet mixture looks like this. If it has not softened, cook it for an additional of 10 minutes more. Now add the prepared jaggery syrup. When you add the jaggery in this consistency, you get a very shiny and smooth pongal. Stir it and add the fried nuts and the raisins. Finally, add in the cardamom powder and just cook for another 2 minutes more. There you go. The no ghee, no milk sweet pongal is ready now. Do not fret if you are allergic to milk or milk products or if you are a vegan. You can still enjoy the same tasty sweet pongal in this way. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like it, Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.